How to give admin access to GitHub. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can give access to one of your admins or collaborators on GitHub. So first is open up preferred web browser, but on this video I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Head straight into github.com's official website and make sure that you're already logged in into your account. Now at your dashboard's left side, you should be able to see all your repositories right here. Now click on that specific repositories that you're trying to provide an access to one of your admin. Now in here, you'll be redirected here. Just go into settings, and from settings below access, choose on collaborators. As you can see under manage access, this is where you can add people. Click this option here that says add people, add the specific admin name that you're giving access to, and choose on add to repository. And that's it. That's how you give admin access to GitHub.